Hi, welcome back to the class, R for Journalists. We are in the last section of wrangling data, and we are going to learn how to tackle dates. So dates come in characters most of the time. You'll need to convert them into a date variable so that R can recognize it and know how to handle it. So we'll be using the lubridate package. Here's an example of a character variable that might be in a data frame. That should be a date. So some date is 12/31/1999. So class of some date is a character. So we want to turn that into a date variable. Bring in the library lubridate. If you don't have it installed on your system yet, just do install.packages parentheses and quotes lubridate. So all we need to do to make this recognize this as a date is to just do MDY, because that stands for, if you look at that string, it's 12/31/1999, and that's month, day, and year. So MDY, some date. And you see the output rearranges it a bit, right? It starts out with the year, then the month, then the day. So let's just save this real quick so I can show you the class. It's considered a date. So the MDY function is very versatile. It stands for month, date, and year, like I said. It'll be able to parse any version of that with slashes or commas or dashes, as long as it's in that order. So here, copy and paste this data frame from the walkthrough. So check that out. The birthday is 10-31-06, then 24/4/07, and then spelled out June 1st, 2005. That's not a big deal. You just add a new column, data DOB, and run that function MDY on data $birthday. Run that. And you see that column on the far right now? It is in consistent order. It's a beautiful thing. So there's quite a few other functions to deal with dates depending on the order of things. You can see it on the walkthrough. So you've got YMD, you've got YDM, you've got MDY, and you see that's all different orders. You know, year, month, day, year, day, month, day, year. It all depends. They even have YMD HMS, which stands for year, month, date, and then hour, minute, seconds. So let's say you want to you can pull out, now that R knows that these are dates, you can pull out separate things, specific things from it now. Like if you wanted to get the year, you can just do the function year on the date. So year of data DOB gives you the years. You can do that for month, data DOB 10/2/6. If you wanted, you can also add the labels. It's very versatile. Just do a question mark month to see all the type of options you can give it. Label, abbreviation, locale. So let's say I want to do label. Right now the label is defaulted to be false. Let's turn that to true. It spells out at least the abbreviation of October, February, and June instead of 10/2/6. If you want to spell it out completely, just add the argument ABBR equals F, because the default is true. Now you've got October, February, and June. This is very useful when you're charting stuff and you need these little distinctions. Sometimes you want it in this factor, sometimes you want it in characters, sometimes you want it just the numbers itself. You can also find out the weekday. Okay, useful. Okay, from here, you can also do math on dates. The function diffTime extracts the number of days between two dates that are passed to it. So let's say, and to get today's date, you just do the function now. So I'm going to assign now to today, which for me filming this is not Neo, sorry. It's July 8th. Filming it pretty close to the deadline. Okay, so now I need a second date. So let's say, so now we can figure out someone's age based on the diffTime of today, and then data DOB. So let's see how old these characters are. 4,268 days, around 4,000 to 5,000 days. How does that translate into years? You just do some math. So data age in years is as.numeric, because you got to convert it. Data age divided by 365.25 because of leap years. Okay, let's see. Peppermint Patty's 13, Charlie Brown and Lucy are 11, going on 12. So that's a pretty good start for now. To see more functions and examples, check out the walkthrough, which will point you to more links that will be useful in your day-to-day data cleaning and analysis. All right, I'll see you in the next section.